What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got a market update today, going over the prices, also taking a look at SHIB and just seeing where we think things are headed from here. I also think something very, very big is about to happen, and we'll get into that in 1 second. So first off, the overall crypto market is up 2.8% right now, sitting at $1.1 trillion. Bitcoin finally back above that 23,000 range at 24,500. Definitely looking bullish for the short term. Ethereum back over 1700, sitting at 1726. We got BNB at 296, almost back over that 300 mark where we would love to see it. We got XRP at 40 cent right now, up 10.3% on the day, also 14% for the week. We got Cardano up 54 cent right now at 4.9% increase for the day. You got to pay attention to these other projects as well, not just Shiba Inu, not just Volt Inu, not just Bitcoin. We got to pay attention to the BNBs. We got to pay attention to the Cardanos, the XRP, the Solanas, the Polkadot, the Polygons. We have to pay attention to the Avalanches. You know, those other crypto projects that are also on the sidelines that we've seen over 2021 have some major success. Those projects, once the bull market kicks back in, are going to absolutely ramp up. So let's keep going. We got Solana at $46, up 8.5% on the day. Doge back over 7 cents. I know a lot of the Doge army's happy about that. I'm still holding my Doge. We are 5% on the day. We got Polkadot at $8.68 for today, up 5.71% on the day. We got Polygon. This one has been absolutely ripping. Polygon is almost at $1 right now. We've been watching this one since like around, what was that, 65-ish, 70-ish cent, you know. So I've been telling y'all to add this one to the bag. Remember, this is not financial advice, but these projects were once very strong, solid projects, and they haven't lost their teams. They haven't lost, you know, their core strategy. They haven't lost their community. So these projects are bound to turn around once the market picks back up. Avalanche, $25.50, up 3.3% on the day. And then we got the token of the hour, Shiba Inu, at that 1242 level. We've seen it briefly touch the 13 level. We're up right now 5.6% on the day. Very exciting to be finally, you know, gaining some traction, you know, away from that adding a zero, which we were in that 9 level for a while, about 2 weeks. I'm gonna do a Volt Inu update separate, so stay tuned for the Volt update if you're a part of the Volt Army or you're interested in learning more about Volt Inu. So just coming to look at the Shiba Inu pages, you know, we take a look what's going on for the day. Not too much, but we got some hints that some big things are coming. We see whales buying trillions of Shiba Inu tokens, or $500 billion of Shiba Inu tokens worth up to $4 million. When you see whales spend $4 million in one crypto project, they know something is about to happen. Remember, we have Shibarium announced to be released before the end of the September 30th, if I'm not mistaken. So we have less than, you know, 2 months before the release of Shibarium. I believe Bone is going to start taking off even more. Let's take a look real quick at Bone. This is another one that I told y'all to pay attention to. Congratulations if you have been grabbing some. Bone is absolutely killing it right now. Bone is up 17.6% for the, actually 18.4% for the day, sitting at 73 cent right now. How many of y'all was watching when I told y'all to grab Bone around 41, 43 cent? How many of y'all were watching the videos then? This is why you want to be subscribed. This is why you want to have your notifications on. You would almost be doubled your money in Bone had you would have got some when I first recommended it. Now, does it still look like Bone is a good buying opportunity? Yes, it does, but you want to wait for the red days. You don't want to really buy on the green days, especially when we're up almost 20% in one day. But congratulations to those that grabbed that. Let's also take a look at, you know, some of these things that we have now. After we get a major update from the SHIB team, you know, like last, we got that game controller emoji from the official SHIB page right here. When we see something like this happen and it gets quiet afterwards, we know something very, very big is about to be dropped on us. The team does not disappoint when it comes to these releases, especially, you know, knowing that this will be a part of the Shiboshi game, might be have something to do with the card game. I'm very excited to be able to get those real physical cards. You know, I was big on Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, Digimon, all those types of card games when I was younger. So to be able to have one of a crypto project that we're invested in, I think that would be extremely exciting, and it would bring some, you know, more utility and fun to the token itself. Now, combining the game, we got wellies going on right now. Actually, if we take a look, wellies is actually trending. So let's take a quick look at that real quick. So obviously, the Federal Reserve chose to raise interest rates 0.75% basis points again, which a lot of people were already expecting it. So that's why the markets kind of pumped up. They're doing their best to tell everyone that we're not actually in a recession right now. So with that going on, a lot of people are, their sentiment is a lot better right now. But once we get the actual news of, we are technically in a recession, I believe, people will become a little more bearish, might sell off some positions, might lock in some of these gains we've been seeing for, this last week and whatnot. But so before we go into the wellies, let's take a look at this. Binance Liquid Swap adds Doge BUSD, Link BUSD, Litecoin BUSD, and SHIB BUSD liquidity pools. So Binance is paying attention. They're adding more SHIB. That's giving more people the opportunity to join the SHIB army, which is a very good sign. And think about it, it's Binance. Whenever Binance is talking about us, adding us, doing something with us, that is very, very bullish. Usually you see most crypto companies, teams, they start to build in a bear market or when things are, near the bottom. So to see, a lot of the development still taking place, that gives me the sign that things may be likely to turn around soon. Do I think we hit the absolute bottom just yet? Personally, I didn't think so, but it's looking like the market makers or the powers that be may want to force us to already had hit the bottom. Now we just have to pay attention closely and see. That's why you have to take advantage of the discounts when you see them and not wait and FOMO in later on. Because now let's say if you didn't buy bone when I was telling you at 41 cent, 43 cent, now if you FOMO in at 73 cent, that's almost twice the price that everyone else got to pay. So this is why you want to be subscribed and make sure you have on those notifications so you don't miss anything. Now let's take a look real quick at wellies. So we got a last update from Satoshi saying, looks like I have COVID. Luckily for me, I have a great natural immunity from an earlier infection with alpha variant and a ton of vitamins to get me through. Still pushing forward today. Talk soon. So hopefully Satoshi gets well really soon. We got Vegeta doing these push-ups training I don't know if this is the chamber or whatever, but basically showing us that something really big is coming behind this game. This is not going to be a baby update. This is going to be something major. I believe people in the crypto space will be talking about this, for the next few weeks once this actually drops. So that's what my update for Shiba Inu. I was looking to share some information on wellies to show y'all that we were actually trending. So here we can see that. Let's go to the welly page. So here we can see wellies has, okay, we already talked about them securing a contract with Christopher Panas, I believe that is. Celebrity chef Flynn McGarry. So they're making the right partnerships right now. Wellies is aligning themselves to be, a force to be reckoned with in the crypto fast food, arena. And really there isn't too many people in that space right now, so they have the opportunity to dominate. But here's the what I wanted to show y'all. This is just the beginning. Welly friends, SHIB army, NFT art, crypto, bone army, Shibarium. Welly friends. This is actually trending. So you want to pay attention to this, y'all. That's all we got for this video. Just wanted to keep y'all updated. Remember, if you're a wellies holder, you get to vote on the DAO of what happens with like 37.5 Ethereum. So go drop your vote. Let use your voice to determine what happens with this aspect of our community. Now that's all we got for this video. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm. Do not forget to subscribe, and we are out.